Welcome back to my channel, guys. Joy of its target one wave. As we can see, the last week was a crazy week. We made at least 25 plus profit. I think risk to ratio. I'm saying 25% profit. I can say if you have risked 1%, I think you can make 25%, right? I'll just show you shortly from the last week's video. From that to from free analysis. Okay. Actually, we encountered a issue. So actually, when we were recording, the voice did not record. So I'm just recording again. So no issues. I'll just show you what last week we have predicted and how the market went. Okay. So let us start with DXY. If you go to our trading view, our chart Joy of this target when one way we will find the last week's analysis over here. Yeah, starting from this DXY. Okay. Okay, so here if you see, this is DXY chart. Last week we said from 21st to 31st May, we said market will be moving up, and the fundamental, whatever I have said in YouTube, I have also written a short note on that. So if you see that move, let us see, it has moved as expected. You can see it here. Okay, I'll just reset it. You can see it here. As expected, I think with this move, I think you can make at least 2 to 3%. Let me see shortly. This was the move last week, right? This was the move last week. Let's see how much percentage that we could have gone short. See, around 2.9 percentage. If you go and start from here, start from selling over here, because see, sorry, it was buy trade, right? Sorry. It was buy trade. Let me just see. See, it was buy trade from this level. Okay, so let us go to buy and see long. This is short over here, from here. Where from this level, right? Yeah, from here. If you had buy from here, see this level that it went. See, around 4.5 percentage, like 4.5 percentage. If you have risk 1%, it has been 4.5 percentage. That is what I have showed it here. You can see, and you can see the market right now. I'll show you in the long picture so that you understand. I hope you understood. Which RMR which I have done was not recorded. That's what the problem. So I am doing it again. Not an issue. So you see, so nearly 4.5 percentage for this week. Coming week, we expect market going up and coming down. So this is what we will be expecting for the coming weeks. I hope with this crazy move, you can make a lot of profit. Only thing is, see, you need a mentor, you need a best education, and plus you need better analysis and your research part. We come here for doing all our researchers, all our market researchers, and giving you the best possibility trades, and so that you can minimize your losses and make you profit. Okay, so let's go to EURUSD. Let's see EURUSD last week, what we have said and what market has done here. So EURUSD, as you can see, we were expecting market to fall, and let's see what has happened. As expected, market started to fall, and it didn't come to our level, but it just came to just near to our level and started to push up. I hope with this move also you have made a profit, good number of profit, and we have said some fundamentals here on as we said from in YouTube. Okay, so if you have sold this EURUSD at the time when we were saying that we are going for short position, so I hope that how much percentage that is giving, let us see. This is also around 4.5 percentage roughly, right? So this was also crazy move. If you have shorted EURUSD, you could make 4.5 percentage. If you have risked for $100 here, you could have gained $450 in profit. This was also crazy move. This you can use it for passing prop firms, all this stuff. So this was a good trade. I hope you like this analysis, all this stuff, and in the upcoming trades also you will find more better signals and better analysis here. Okay, so So for this week, we expect market to fall. That's what we are saying. Maybe small grab up can, after that it can fall. So let us see how does the market react in the upcoming week. Okay, let's go to next. Which pair is that? GBP/USD. Let's go to GBP/USD. So GBP/USD last week's forecast is here, 25.05. Okay, we were expecting last week the market to fall. Okay, and we said some of the outlooks here and the short-term scenario, all this scenario we said, and let's see how the market has played. See, market has played exactly to the level, and market has reacted to exactly the level which we have mentioned in our advanced weekly live session also. And I hope with this move also you could have made a good profit. Correct? If you have taken all these trades, then give me a like and say me how much percentage you have made and which pair you have made. Okay. Okay. Let me just in short. Let me go and show you the GBP/USD. Yeah, GBP/USD trade which last week we have taken. So last week we were taking shorts, right? So at least if you have missed that entry position, if you have entered here, so I hope. See, this would have given you 4.4%. This is also nearly about 4.5%. So consecutive, all three trades have given 4.5%. That is nearly about 15% or 14%, right? Roughly. So that was also really great. And with trading with just one pair, you are getting 4.4%. Really crazy part. I'm happy if you have taken this trade. Seeing our analysis, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Next, New Zealand USD. Let us see what I have said in the last week and let's see what has happened in the market. That is past versus reality check, right? That's what we are doing here. New Zealand USD last week, see, 6 days ago we see, and New Zealand USD 25th to 31. So we said market will be falling and it will be crawling up as a consolidation. So, and we have set some free outlooks for your free analysis. As we said, see, let's play the button and see. It's taking quite a long time for to load. I hope you don't mind. Maybe I can reload this. Okay, I hope now it will be fine. Yeah, see, the market has fallen and started to consolidate as per our analysis. Let us see what. So, see, it's a good trade, right? We said now market will be pushing down. After that, it started to push down and started to crawl. Exactly what we said. This is what you need to research on your part, and you should have a good mentor. You should have a good community for doing all this stuff. If you have traded this pair, you could have 4.6%. All the consecutively 4 trades, that's giving you 4.6 consecutively. Correct? This was a crazy week that it has went. All the pairs has went in our direction. I hope this will give you another 20% or 19%. Till now we have enrolled 19% of your profit you have invested in it. So for the next week, we expect market to crawl up and after that it to fall as per the arrow given here. Okay. So let's go to AUD/USD, Australian dollar, and as well as we have given some support zones, everything, all the zones here. So just read it clearly so that you will have a good understanding here. Okay. Let me just go to profile. It will be better. Load it. Okay. Next is AUD/USD, right? Let us see what AUD/USD also. Yeah. So AUD/USD, if you come here, let us see where say yeah, AUD/USD is here. AUD/USD is here. So we have said the technical factors that current price is this here, and from that what is the support and rise levels that all the strong levels, short-term scenarios, all this stuff, and let's see what market has done. Let's just wait a second. Let us see what market has not showed us the arrow mark. Yeah, now it is showing. So we said market will be pushing down, and let's see what market has done here. think it's quite loading. Yeah, market has come here. So let us see exactly from that level market to start to fall, and market is in the making process. So it has not reached our level still, but still in the coming weeks we will be expecting the same level to be touched before any changes. So okay, so if you have entered, this is EURUSD last week. So if you have entered at this top, right, at this top, shorted here, and you take profit somewhere about here, you are at the moment in a profit with 3%, right? 3%. So this is a good trade. I hope you have just booked the profit. We have one more push up, and after that it will be falling. So we'll be updating all these things in the weekly basis. Anyway, fine. So here, if you see now for the next week, we expect market to crawl up and after that to fall, and not to fall, at least to consolidate in the backside. So this is what we'll be expecting in the next week scenario. USD/JPY. Let's go to USD/JPY. And let's see what we have said in the USD/JPY in the last week, and we will see. Okay, USD/JPY, we have said some the levels that which we have said here, and we expect market to go from here. Like this was 6 days ago, right? And if I play this button, you will understand. See, from that level it started to push up and touching the trend line. After that it started to come up. See, this was crazy. Let me just show you. Okay, see, and if you have traded this also move, it will be around 25% move, right? Already you saw another 18% plus 3%, which was 21%, and with this move plus 4% or more than that, I can say with that 21 to 25%. Still now we have encountered 25% in a good profit. We're risking 1%, right? Okay, so I'll just close this. Okay, good. And for the next week, we expect market to again to tap and after that to fall. This is what I'll be all in a consolidation sideways move. Okay. Okay, fine. Now let's go to USD/CHF and see what USD/CHF has done here. I hope you're getting useful with this analysis, all these stuffs. Okay, so this is USD/CHF. And 6 days ago we have posted this. Let's see what market has done here. We have set the levels here, the technicals, all the stuffs, wishing to monitor everything, and let's see what market has done here. See, we said market will be pushing up, and after that exactly the same thing has done. The market has pushed up here, and let us see how much percentage that we have encountered here. Long, right? I'll be taking a position here, going up. This is another 3.5%, which is 25 plus 3.5. How much it is? It is 28%, 28.5%, which is 25, more than 25% in a single week. This was a crazy move, right? Okay, and that too within few. It was very sharp, right? And now for USD/CHF, we expect market to fall. This is what for the next week analysis which we expect here. Okay. And let's go to gold. For gold, let us go to here and let's change to gold over here. Okay, so we said market will be falling from this level, from seeing the trend line. So let's see, and we have said some possibilities seeing these levels here, and let's see what market has done here. This was 6 days ago, which was posted here, as you can see, 6 days ago. As you can see, the market has fallen and it has been consolidating here, and it has went in as per the direction. This was also a crazy move which had happened the last week. And let us sell this market over here and let us see what has happened from that level. So we were selling from this right? Till this area. This is also 4%. Risking 1%, you will be getting 4%. So how much it was the last week? So it was 28.5 plus 4%. It was like 32.5%, solidly in a single week. Correct? And for the coming week, we expect market to again to tap the trend line and fall as per the arrow given here. So this will be the next week's analysis. Fine. Now let's go to Nifty 50. Let's go to Nifty 50 and see what market has done here. Okay, Nifty we said market will be coming down and it will be falling in this level, and after that it will be going. But since I think and market did not do as expected, it was just a very little momentum which we have seen in the last week, and I feel like many people are just had booked their profits. So in that case, market did not react as expected, and that's what I have given a short-term down move. Seeing that market investors will be will be booking their profit here, and that booking the profit they have done in a very minimal way, and I expect little more booking to be happened, so that I expect now the level over here it has changed. Okay, that's what I'm saying. So the level which I was mentioning here has been changed for the next week, so it has changed over this area. From this area till market can come till here and it can shoot up. So this is what I can see here. Okay, so this is what for the next week. And here comes BTC USD. BTC USD I have not posted in the last week. Just go and see the last week's analysis. You will be amazed to see. We said last week market will be. Let me just show you. The last week market will be crawling up and after it will be falling. Exactly the same thing which we have said the last week market has done. If you don't believe us, just go to the last week our YouTube channel, last week's analysis video. You will find that this moment was crazy. And with this move, if you have entered at this part from this level, okay, and keeping a stop loss here just above this and aiming for this level, this was also around 5%, which was only in the sell trade. If you have booked the long position over here as per our analysis, you could have booked 1.4%. See, 5% plus 1.5%, it will be around 6.6%, right? 6.6% plus 32%, it was 38% solid gain. Risking just $100, you will be getting $3,600 in back. That is the power, that is the right mindset that we have and our investors have, our people have in our community. So we are happy to give you this such kind of analysis here in a weekly basis. So if you like this video, if you have taken this pair, every pair which you have taken, mention in the comment and say how much percent you have made from our analysis. I hope you have a good week in the upcoming weeks, and all the best for your trading. Happy trading. With this, I like to conclude the weekly analysis here.